Lakayan Neophil P.
Escuadro Genexa L. Iran Genevieve L. is the recipient of the following awards. Meritorious Award, Best Instructional Materials. Sir, sa tanan ninyong suporta o pagtabang kanamo. And of course, to our school, Southern Philippine College Incorporated, our second home. Thank you for shaping us into who we are today. With grateful hearts, we move forward, carrying your name with pride into the next chapter of our lives. Now, before I end my speech, I would like to take a special moment to also thank two of the most important people in my life who made everything possible. My parents. Ma, Pa, please stand. You were not able to finish your studies. And because of that, you sacrificed everything to make sure that me and my brother could have a better future. My father, ladies and gentlemen, lost his father at the age of 7. With many siblings and no one to support his education, he had to give up his studies and was unable to attend college. But he made a promise to never let his future children endure the same hardships he went through. Since we were born, we have never experienced, not even once, a life full of struggles just to earn money because they were always there, ready to support us and to earn money for our needs and wants. My mama would call me in my boarding house and say, "Day, napakay kwarta, padala mi ron. Day, usa kay mga bayron nimo diha, sige tutala tanan kay mapadala mi kwarta." Even when I suggested getting a part-time job to earn extra money, they did not allow it because for them, dahil amuhang trabaho ang mangitag kwarta. Eskwela lang kadiha. So, I felt like the luckiest child alive because you are my parents. Ma, Pa, kagwin na ko.
The darkness will not go to stop.